How to use vocal shortcuts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the bottom to locate Speech section and tap on Vocal Shortcuts. From here, tap on Set up Vocal Shortcuts and then tap Continue. On the Choose Action page, scroll down and select Flashlight as shown in the System options. Now, type in your desired custom phrase. For this example, I will be using Flash. You will be prompted to say the phrase 3 times to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. Once completed, a confirmation screen will appear. Tap Continue to finish. You can now see your new vocal shortcut is set up and ready to use. Following these steps, you can easily use vocal shortcuts on an iPhone.